Hello everyone, this is Devmitra from Pension Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the basic knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one professionalism, what are the things you need to do in an HR interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the basic knowledge as per my knowledge. So in my today's session, I'm going to talk about something that is very interesting as well as informative also. That is how you can use chat GPT in data analysis. Okay, so if you wanted to use chat GPT, what is the process? Right now I'm going to discuss about that. So staying ahead of the curve in data analysis is essential to your success in business. One of the most innovative tools at your disposal is chat GPT. So an AI driven platform designed to streamline your work. ChatGPT is an invaluable tool for data analysis that can assist in conducting exploratory data analysis, generating insightful visualization, writing code, and performing advanced statistical modeling. Right now, we will discuss the use of ChatGPT for data analysis, and its benefits, its limitations, and much more. So let's dive in. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, is a powerful natural language processing that is called NLP. AI chatbot that uses advanced language models and the machine learning technique to understand natural language queries and generate responses. Okay, so as a data analyst, you can greatly benefit from the abilities of ChatGPT in various tasks, such as generating code snippets in Python, R, SQL, and other programming language, analyzing datasets, and the providing insights, supporting you in project planning and resource allocation, assisting with research and data-driven tasks. By incorporating ChatGPT into your workflow, you can save valuable time, streamline complex processes, and enhance your efficiency as a data analyst. Now that you have an idea about the what is ChatGPT, you have the overview and the idea about the ChatGPT. So let's take a look of what is called ChatGPT and how it used in data analysis. Okay, so how to use ChatGPT in data analysis? By using its understanding of human language and its ability to generate coherent and the contextually appropriate responses, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in the field of data analysis. It can provide support in various ways, such as assisting exploratory data analysis, SQL code generation, making predictions and the recommendations, sentiment analysis, and much more. So the first thing, that is visualization. How ChatGPT can help to analyze the data. That is the first one is visualization. While ChatGPT can't handle images without the code interpreter plug-in, it can be a valuable tool in coming up with ideas for the best way to visualize your data analysis tasks. It can help you come up with ideas for insightful charts and the graphs that enable you and your audience to understand the relationships within your dataset. Predictions. The next one is predictions. Using ChatGPT in your predictive analysis can help you achieve more accurate results and streamline your workflow. Okay, with its machine learning capabilities. So ChatGPT allows you to assist you in coming up with forecasting models based on your data, optimize existing predictive models to generate reports with improvements, discover the novel associations and the trends within your data. So the next one is recommendations. ChatGPT can give you recommendations for your data analysis projects that can help you to make more informed decisions using its machine learning and natural language understanding. ChatGPT can suggest relevant features for model building and analysis, offer protocol approaches to address the data quality issues, guide on selecting the best analysis tools and the techniques for your specific use case. So the next one is the exploratory data analysis. ChatGPT can assist you with exploratory data analysis, that is called EDA, a vital step in understanding your data and formulating the hypothesis. By using ChatGPT, you can receive guidance on which variables or relationships to examine, get suggestions for data transformations to optimize your analysis, obtain informative summary statistics on your data set. Utilizing ChatGPT in your data analysis workflow empowers you to make more informed decisions, create visually appealing representations, and optimize your analytical process. So the fifth one is SQL code generation. ChatGPT can assist data analysts in their day-to-day work by rapidly generating SQL code snippets based on natural language input. This cuts down on the time spent writing complex queries, so you can dedicate more time to interpreting the query results and deriving the actionable insights from your data. So the sentiment analysis. What is called sentiment analysis? In addition to code generation, ChatGPT can be utilized to perform sentiment analysis and a large amount of text data. As a data analyst, you can use this feature to understand customer feedback, social media presence, or even internal company communications. The process involves using ChatGPT to naturally process and assign a sentiment score to each piece of the text data. This code can then be grouped, summarized, and visualized to provide valuable information to guide decision making in an organization. So, in summary, as a data analyst, you can use ChatGPT to fetch and analyze the data set, perform exploratory data analysis, including generating the summarized and visualization, generate SQL code snippets, simplifying your qualifying processes, perform sentiment and analysis on text data to gain valuable insights into customer and the organizational sentiment. So, by adopting ChatGPT in your data strategy, you can increase your efficiency and make better informed decisions to drive growth and success for your organization. So, these are the process I have already discussed about. I have discussed in several topics about ChatGPT, how ChatGPT can help one data analyst and in data processing. I have tried to provide you the knowledge about it. So in PCS Global, we are providing the training in Salesforce. We are providing the training in Python, machine learning, AI, data structure. So if you're a candidate who wanted to start your career through PCS Global, kindly communicate with us. Our EILP, that is Employee Initiation Learning Program, is already going on. Our CILP process is also going on. Our that is called placement training, that EILP process, that is already going on. Numerous numbers of people have joined this program. They had proved themselves, and right now most of them are working with MNCs. Some of them are working with us also. So we have our several projects. Kindly communicate with us and get the best from our side. PCS Global is located in Bengaluru, in Kolkata, in Bhubaneswar also. So our head office is located in Bengaluru. If you wanted to visit over there physically, our physical working sessions are also going on. You can visit over there. And our in virtual mode also, our interview sessions are also we are conducting the interview in virtual mode also. So if you wanted to know more about PCS Global, how this process are going on, why people are joining PCS Global, what is the benefits of EILP process, guys, this is only the video for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or maximum 15 minutes. To know about PCS Global, this is not enough information for you. You need to call us, you need to communicate with us. Our HS numbers is going on in the Facebook also. We have our Facebook page, we have our LinkedIn page. You can go through and you can get the best knowledge. You can call them and they will provide you all the details. If they will be free, they will obviously receive your call and they will give you the information how you can join this EILP process. So guys, this is for now. And if you wanted to know more about PCS Global's journey, kindly go to the fireside chat videos. Our candidates who has worked with PCS Global, how they are successfully working in MNCs. And if you have any doubt about PCS Global, you will get to know everything from those candidates also, and from these candidates also who has just joined in PCS Global in our EILP process, how our classes are going on. We are providing the training for 5 days in a week. So why we are doing this and what are the benefits of it? Why PCS Global is doing all those things? It's a big mystery. If you wanted to know, you need to communicate. So if you find my videos are helpful, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and do comment below. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now.